locating your teacher materials. Follow along to explore the Materials section and learn how to access your course content and resources. Once you're logged into Nelson Digital, hover over your textbook and select the yellow Nelson MindTap button, and then select Open Course. Remember, you'll need to first create a course to access your resources. Today we're going to focus specifically on the materials in Nelson MindTap, where you'll find all the content from your textbook, as well as additional course resources such as teacher resources, worksheets, and teaching programs. Each chapter is organised into a folder, which contains both the textbook material and any accompanying resources. To quickly find what you're looking for, you can use the magnifying glass icon to search for specific topics or resources. You can even save your search as a favourite for future reference. This way, you can easily access the resources you frequently use. That wraps up this tutorial on navigating the Materials section in the Nelson MindTap platform.